Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Mind of Gus vinyl. This character is from the Beanz IP, and the figure was also designed by SK Lam, the founder of All Rights Reserved. The figure is also equipped with PBT, which I'll dive deeper into once I find it on the figure. One thing to note is that you can actually buy these. 530 were raffled for free to Beanz holders. The digital collectible, I'll show them right here for those who don't know. Now, this is the unboxing of the character itself, and you can see the quality does not disappoint. If you don't know, SK Lam, creator of All Rights Reserved, does pretty cool figures like the cause ones, so the quality is on par with those, and this is just the simple unboxing. So right under the beanie, you can actually find the PBT, which holds one of 7 deadly sins. These can be minted and revealed from the figure itself, and as I'll show you right here, this is what they look like. So this is my first time using PBT, and all you have to do is go to your collector's profile, and when you go all the way to the bottom, you should see a little Beanz PBT logo, and from there you can scan the QR code. This will bring you to instructions on your phone, and what you'll want to do is scan the figure, and it will tell you what you have, so the Mind of Gus vinyl. Once you've done that, you'll be able to scan it again so that you can actually mint the digital collectible. So once that's done, it will direct you to your computer and you can mint it. You're going to need to sign a transaction and pay gas for the digital collectible itself, but once that's done, it will process and then you'll be able to reveal it, as you'll see right here. Once you reveal it, you do get the chance of one of the 7 deadly sins, and in this case, I revealed glutamine. Make sure to subscribe, as my next video will be reviewing World Merging from Artifact and PBT from Azuki, and sharing what their benefits and maybe what their flaws are, so you don't want to miss it.